of computer. A computer is a wonderful and useful machine. It helps us to do many things. Let us know the uses of a computer. Drawing and coloring a picture. You can draw and color pictures by using a mouse. Playing games. You can play games like car racing, building blocks, etc. on a computer. Storing information. Whatever work you do on a computer can be saved and stored. Typing text. You can use computers to write letters and stories. Using the internet. You can use internet for entertainment and booking tickets online. Gaining knowledge. You can use computers to study different subjects. Solving sums. You can solve sums and do calculation very fast on a computer. Listening to music. You can listen to music stored on a computer. Watching cartoons and movies. You can also watch movies and cartoons like Spider-Man, Tom and Jerry, etc. on a computer. Sending emails. You can send and receive messages quickly and chat with friends anywhere in the world. Now we see some places where computers are used. First, at homes to study and play games. Second, in shops and malls to make bills. At railway station for booking ticket. In schools for teaching and learning. In hotels and resorts to record guest details. In office to do office work. In banks to deposit and withdraw money. In restaurant to make bills of food items. At airport for booking tickets and getting flight details. So friends, hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. So today, bye bye. Love you all. Take care, dear.